This is the new version. How does it work in the new version? It requires an OTP, but you probably don't know and you're unable to do it. Your data has been pending for a long time, and you don't know how to do it. It will remain pending until you can do it. It won't be successful until you provide the OTP. Currently, it works instantly. Success occurs only when you provide the OTP. So what are the processes required for this? We'll explain this in the video. You can take a look. First, you need to open this. Here it is. We searched. Press enter. After this, you'll see a dashboard like this. All our portals, all the portals are listed here. So click here in UCL to work on this Aadhaar card. After clicking on UCL, you'll see an interface like this. If you don't have an ID, click on register here to register. Otherwise, click on login here. Okay, click on login here. Let's mark it for a minute. Mark it here and log in. After logging in, click on login. Before that, let me tell you something. You can also open an account from here, Kotak Mahindra Bank, then Airtel Payments Bank. This Airtel Payments Bank account is open with face authentication. However, the customer must already have an account to make a €100 payment. This requires funding of €100. This balance remains in their wallet and the payment must be made from their own account using UPI. Okay? So this is how an account works. There's a lot of IDFC here. You can create an account here, so we'll log in and show you. The main task is how to provide the OTP and how do we send it. When we log into my portal's admin panel, you'll likely see a slightly different dashboard. It might look like you've logged in. After logging in, a dashboard like this opens. First, you'll update your mobile number from here. Okay, first you'll apply your mobile number from here. You'll update it from here just like you did before. After doing this, go to the pending list. From here, go to the pending list. Once you're in the pending list, you'll see a detailed description of your pending data. Copy it completely. Copy it completely from here. After copying from here, you can see it below. Mark it. There's a chat box here, a message box. You need to send a message in the message box. Okay? You need to do it here. And when do you do that? When the operator is online. When is the operator online? They tell you that in the group, in the WhatsApp group. Join the WhatsApp group first from here. Join all the WhatsApp groups from here. Okay? You'll find everyone's group link here. Click here and you'll see all the group links. Click in the chat box like this.
Our operators have finished for the day. We'll be back online tomorrow after 10 a.m. Thank you for your patience. Less than we are, greater than. Our operators' time has ended for today. We'll be back online tomorrow after 10 a.m. Thank you for your patience.
You'll see something like this. It'll say some notifications, some voices, some alerts. You'll need to copy them here. Paste what you've copied. After pasting, press the enter button. It'll be sent. Once it's sent, it'll go to the operator. Before that, you'll need to wait here. Okay? The operator might be working for someone else. An operator won't be sitting idle while the other person is working. Wait here for the time it takes for the operator to complete the task and return it to you. Okay? And as soon as the operator arrives, we'll show you everything. Okay? And before that, he's asking you to wait for 1 minute here. This will increase the time when the operator is late. Okay? You can also see the time here. So let's see what the operator says. Okay, so we'll connect the operator. First, after connecting, we'll show you. As soon as the operator connects, he'll tell you here that he's connected. Whatever message you send, the operator will tell you in the message.
Please answer. Is it? Don't waste your time.
See, just like the operator says, okay, he'll tell you something like this. After saying okay, he'll then tell you alert. Then you don't have to do anything, just wait. 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes. It will take as long as the operator takes. It takes 10 minutes for one data, then the operator will send you a message like this after 10 minutes or 5 minutes, whatever he does in his system. When the OTP is sent, then he will write to you like this, that the OTP is fine. My
Team is connected. Answer, please don't time BIT.
see, then like this.
Please wait few minutes. Our operator is busy. Please wait. It is taking some time like this.
Boy will say as soon as the OTP comes, then you have to take the OTP again and write it here and send it. Okay, we write in the OTP like this. You write it and press the enter button. The OTP will go to the operator, the lab. As soon as the OTP is sent, the operator will verify it by entering this OTP and will write it done like this. Okay, the operator will write done like this.
Like we showed, a team is connected. Answer, please don't time this.
See, the operator said done, meaning this is done. After this, if there's any other pending data, you can immediately copy it and send it to the operator. Okay? Okay? After saying done, you'll send it and they'll send the next one. Okay? Continue doing it. One. You've finished your chat for today. You'll have to go offline on. Otherwise, when you send a message tomorrow, it won't show up with your operator. Sometimes it'll show up, sometimes it won't. This will cause problems. So what do you need to do to go offline? Look here, you'll see 3 lines. You can see 3 lines here. Click on these 3 lines. Okay? Click on those 3 lines. After that, to go offline, you'll see end this chat session. Okay? Click on that. As soon as you click on that, something like this will appear. End chat. Okay? Click on end chat. When you send a message, it means you're going offline or being removed from the chat board. This is how you need to remove it. Only then will your work reach the operator quickly. Okay? So this is how to do it. I hope you have understood how to update the mobile number. For other services, we will make separate videos and show you if you guys tell us in the comments.
Please wait for a few minutes. Our operator is busy. Please wait. It is taking some time.
Okay? So you guys will be able to do this kind of work. If you tell us in the comments, we will make a video and show you the entire thing. See you in the next video.